Well, hello and welcome one and all. It's a pleasure to have you with us. As you can see, we are all set. The game should be a truly entertaining one, whichever side of it you find yourself on. We have a grand mass of noise and colour, and the juices are flowing. And few venues rise to an occasion quite like this one. It is, of course, the world-famous Old Law! He has hit that forcefully.
Well, he looks like he's annoyed with himself there. He didn't do an awful lot wrong, did he?
Now it's Havertz. Oh, super find. Vinicius Junior. And the keeper's in command.
You know, for me, Peter, there's a deep-lying playmaker out there who's as good as it comes. Pep Guardiola. As composed as he is clever, he always acts as the key pivot in forming attack after attack.
Yeah, he's a bit of a manager on the pitch.
Well, astute is the word.
He's beaten the last, and the shot! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass.
Zakaria. Guardiola. Now that's well seen too. Now it's Vinicius Junior. Oh, great chance! Oh, he's managed to get himself offside. Shin to shin, bicep to bicep, and he wins out. Law, face to face. Law! Goal! Manchester United! Manchester United take the lead.
Well, we could be a little critical of that defence then, but the timing was pretty much perfect.
So we have the first goal.
Well, that gives them the privilege to control the tempo of the game. It's up to them to manage it from here now.
Manchester United are enjoying a good spell right now and leading. And he's being shifted off it. Caught offside that time. Guardiola. Havertz. Aim forwards. Szoboszlai. Now it's Mbappe. Mbappe! And the keeper has reacted superbly there.
Mbappe actually didn't do an awful lot wrong, to be honest.
And we have our very first corner. It's a mighty effort! It's in! A quite incredible spell. They are flying. A wonderful delivery, and all it needed was a touch.
So well played, Peter. Did a great job keeping sight of the ball. Made a classic move and met it perfectly.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
He has found a way through. Chance! Well, now it's a race for the ball. David Villa could move up a gear here. Oh, well played, well sorted out. Maldini. Nice bit of trickery. Well, there's the clearance. It's gone out for a throw-in. David Villa. Guardiola. And it's Beckham. And it's Guardiola. Oh, good read.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Law. Messi.
There will be 3 minutes added time.
That's Guardiola. Passing is crisp and sharp. Law. Keeper's ball. Messi. And we hit half-time. See your views on the first half?
Manchester United just didn't want the half-time whistle to be blown. Convincing and controlled.
And now,
Manchester United in control at half-time, 2-0.
To join me in wishing our birthday boy a very special birthday.
So off we go once more. Oh, that's fabulous. Great ball, and he's in. He's had a hit! Surely now they are well and truly out of sight. And there's your hat-trick hero. He is simply indefatigable.
Well, I think there's a few trying to claim offside, but he looks to have been on. Yeah, he was on.
And there was his third and decent hit! And that has forced the very best out of the keeper.
Manchester United were again presented with an opportunity to break and look very, very threatening.
Good reason for optimism here. Bastoni getting this one clear. Benfica have the chance to go the other way. Played back in, out to the right. Oh, he wasn't being taken in by that trickery. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest.
Incentive set and incentive met. Now they've got to take it on another level.
Gently done.
Have beautifully policed that midfield. The opposition have been handcuffed.
Beckham. He's having a hit! Keeper is right behind it.
Benfica certainly look a very capable counter-attacking team. They're direct, they're quick, and to be honest, they're full of belief that it'll pay off.
He's found a way through. Climbs up big! He got the hard part right, but the rest wrong. Looking for options for movement. Mbappe gets through on his big chance! And that is a truly outstanding save.
He'll be irritated with that, Peter. He really did spring into life as he made his run.
Manchester United have their third corner. Big header! And he hits the net! The crowd demanded, and he was thrilled to oblige. Great corner, and he did the rest.
Yeah, he makes those runs with great stealth and a ghost-like arrival to get his head to the ball.
Things looking so easy, almost too easy here. Oh, and he's through the middle. Now it's Mbappe. Mbappe! It's there! And so clear that one side are so much better. The scoreline entirely justified.
Well, it's a goal fest, and the fact it's so one-sided now is getting scary.
Manchester United are at the peak of their powers. As for their opponents, a long way from that.
To be expected, Peter. They've gone and stepped it up, something they've been threatening to do and will continue to do by the looks of it.
Oh, the touch is just too thick. Could really have done without that.
Yeah, it all looked so promising until unexpected sloppiness intervened.
And he was quick to get it clear again.
That's a modern defender's instinct from a...
Heads it! Oh, and the keeper couldn't hold it. And he seemed certain to get the sixth. Time and again they are repelled. Oh, he's caught him there. It's a free kick.